So on our small little farm, we had to figure out a way how to water our garden. The problem is we are not close to a water source, at least not to our house. But right up on top of the hill, this is a 230-year-old well. So we're going to tap into this and we're going to pull the water out of this in order to do everything that we need to do in the garden. Now, this well was serving our house up until 3 years ago when it actually dried up, but hopefully it filled up now just so we can go ahead and water our garden. So follow along. Here we go.